I've got a little rabbit. Its name is Kay. Its ears are long. Its eyes are gray. I've got a little kitten. Its name is Jack. Its nose is pink. Its ears are black. I've got a little elephant. Its name is May. Its ears are big. Its legs are gray. I've got a little puppy. Its name is Ted. Its tail is long. Its nose is red. I've got a little monkey. Its name is Brian. Its arms are long. Its eyes are brown.